One of the most anticipated fights of the summer, Nate Diaz, Jake Paul, is here. If you guys want to watch it, check these following steps. On our Fire Stick here, we will need to jailbreak it for those people who want to watch this fight. The first thing we need to do will be download a program called Downloader. So just come on over here to the little search find function and start typing in the word down for downloader. It shouldn't take too long. It should show right up right there. You might have to type the entire word in. Downloader. I already have it. You probably may or may not. If you do, just skip a couple steps. But we're going to hit download, get it, install it. Places into the queue real quick. Downloading, and installing. Once this is installed, I want you to go to the home screen. Back to the search function. We'll need a VPN. Type in Nord for NordVPN. Install it, get it. Use the link below to get yourself a great discount. Find the United States. Even zoom in closer to Dallas if you can. Click on it. It'll connect and we're good to go. Go back to the home screen again. Let's go find the downloader application that we just found. Downloaded. Go all the way to the Your Apps and Games menu. And under Downloader, let's click the hamburger button, move it to the front because we're going to use this store over and over and over again. And Downloader is going to give us the ability to side load applications that aren't available on the Fire Stick, but are available on other apps like the Google Play Store. There's a quick little shortcut, 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. Click the go button and this will go right to our website ledbytheunknown.com where we can find and download all these wonderful applications for your Fire Stick. 5-second redirect. Once this redirect is done, please click on your hamburger button again. Add current page to favorites because you'll want to come here over and over and over again. Save it, and now it's bookmarked. Now once we're in here, come on up. Guys, if anything ever happens and you can't need any questions, answers, here's the way to get the best apps for streaming for live TV, movies, and TV shows. Sign up today. Once you're signed up, click the little pull down button and click on downloads, and this will come to the download screen where we can download these great applications. Once we're in the download screen, pull out your phone, scan this beautiful QR code to get a great discount off of NordVPN. It's already on your TV, you just gotta click it, boom. Sign up today, guys, 63% off. Now, we have ESPN or DAZN, whatever you pronounce it. Click on it. It'll automatically download it to your Fire Stick. Let's try both of them today real quick. While we're waiting, put a comment down below. Tell me what else you'd like to watch tonight. And give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Make sure that little bell button is on and enabled so that you get these great videos. Now guys, this is the part where we jailbreak the Fire Stick. It will do it for us. Click on settings, click on install unknown apps, turn on downloader, and you can back out and back out again, and it'll bring us back to the home screen. So let's install. Install DAZN. Once it's installed, hit done. And then delete the APK file. Yes, we want to delete it. Now come on down to let's install ESPN while we're at it, baby. Now guys, remember, take a look further up and down within this downloads page to find other great applications you want on your Fire Stick. We're going to hit install, and then we're going to hit done. Delete the installation file because we no longer need it. And like I said, guys, search up and down within this page. You'll find some great applications. When we hit back to the home screen and go back to your apps and games button and just highlight the two apps we just downloaded. Hit the hamburger button on your remote. Let's move these both up to the front. And there we go. Well, that's it. Enjoy the fight. Now they're shortcutted to the front. We can click on either one, go in, and away you go. All right, perfect. Beauty. Enjoy. Peace. Hope that was super quick for everybody. Welcome to the part of the show that doesn't exist. Yo, guys. Lots of cool things going out there. New movies, new TV shows. The fights. This is great. We're opening it back up, right? Yeah. I really got it. This was a failed one, I think. Failed. Guys, as you can tell, many different applications. Yes, I know. You might be able to download this from the Fire Stick store. You might not though. Just letting you know, you might not. Okay? And there's more down below. Okay, peace.